Hey guys, Josh here. Gonna take a second to show you how to fix your Whirlpool Cabrio Washer. This will save you anywhere from $250 to $500 or going out and getting a brand new washer. So issue with this one is essentially your board here stops working. And if you've already had somebody come out and look at it, they've likely told you you need a whole new control board, and the prices vary depending on which option you have, if you have the steam one or not, but anywhere from, the board runs from $250 to $400, just kind of depends on where you buy it and which model you have. And of course you got to pay labor and all that stuff. I'm going to show you how to fix this, hopefully without any of those things, and how you can get your machine up and running again. A lot of times the codes you'll see is like a F2E1 or an F6E3 or some combination of F something with an